Hi guys, we're back on it again. This time I'm going back to my old place in Novena, and so we're out and about again. Here we go. You can see a lot of people selling tissues, tissue papers. Now we are in the Vedaki Moti. It's a nice location. Got a lot of food shops. Overall, it's nice. Here now we're going to the Moti. Let's go. I was going to go to the communication, but it was closed. So now I'm thinking about going to the bank, and I hope it's not closed. I saw that the communication is going to be open tomorrow, but we're not going to waste today. We're going to go to the bank. Let's see if the bank is open. If it's not, then it's gonna be a sad day because I have to come back again. Come back home. So yeah, it will be frustrating if that's the case. A lot of people, man, in the morning. It's the rush hour. To take my card, my EasyLink card. Where is it? Okay, I put it inside my wallet. I need to take out my wallet now. Got my EasyLink wallet. Let's go. Let's start recording. Let's go. Another rainy day here in Singapore. It's very cold. Let's check the MRT. More and more escalators, man. I don't know, it just keeps going. Every single time there's an escalator. I took like 2 escalators just to come here. I guess this is the last one because we're coming into the platform. We're coming into the platform, as you can see. Let's check this out. Yeah, this should be the one for Novena. Let's see. Raffles City Hall. Yep, this is the one. City Hall. Yep, City Hall. This is the one. Let's go already, MRT.